Rohan Kumar of section 18. My roll number is 21MI10043. I am here to demonstrate my DIY assignment number 3, which is de-assembly and assembly of a working home appliance. Here I have chosen this mosquito racket. I have chosen to disassemble it and show you the internal parts and how it works. Apart from that, first of all I will explain you the working principle of this racket. The working principle behind this racket is that there is a very high potential difference between two of its meshes. Yes, it is having two meshes. One is in the center and the another mesh is on the top. Therefore, whenever a mosquito gets trapped, it touches the both side of the mesh. As both are at a very high potential difference, therefore the voltage is very high. Therefore, as the body of the mosquito is not a very good conductor and it's having a lot of resistance, therefore a lot of heat is produced by the formula of I square R. Therefore, as a lot of heat is produced, the mosquito's body cannot sustain that amount of heat and it gets burned. Here I can show you the working, as it is also having a LED light attached to it which glows, and apart from that, here already a mosquito is trapped in it. Therefore I can show you that it's working. Or no, I can show you it's working by this tester. First of all, let's remove the nuts and bolts. For the demonstration purpose, I have already removed most of the nuts and left only one for the convenience and for saving the time period, as I do not want to make this video a long one. Now I am going to show you the most of the parts. This is just an adapter for receiving the electricity for the charging of the battery. Here, this is the battery. Apart from that, these are the two switches. One switch, this one switch is having three type of modes. One mode is for the light. The middle one and just activates the system. And after activating the system, when I click this button, the mesh gets activated. Apart from that, let me switch off this part. This is a transformer for a step up transformer to increase the voltage. Apart from that, these mini parts. These mini parts are resistors, and these parts, the big maroon one, are capacitors along with this blue one and this blue one. These are capacitors and apart from that, these are the two LEDs which signifies a different kind of working. When I connect this to the charging port, then this red LED glows. Apart from that, when I use this device, then this green one glows. It's having a lot of voltage. Now, as you can see, there are two blue wires and one red wire. One red wire is for the middle mesh, the mesh which is in the middle, the denser one. The blue wire is for this upper one on the both side. This is a simple working mechanism of a mosquito racket. Now I am going to assemble these parts. Here I've reassembled the mosquito racket. The LED is working, and when I switch on and push this button, now it's working. As I can show you that it's working, I'm going to use this tester. You can see it's working. Thank you. That was my DIY assignment number 3.